Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I will be doing my November favorites. I know it's been a while since I've done my last favorites video, so I really wanted to do it this month. I'm gonna start off with my random favorites first, and the first one are these glasses that I'm wearing right now. These are from Firmoo, and I specifically made a video for this pair of glasses right here in the cards. I will link it up here. Yeah, I extremely love this. The style is what I like about it the most. It suits me a lot and it has a lot of character. I like the shape of it because it has this interesting shape up here, and I don't really see a lot of glasses like this, so it was really unique. Moving on to my next favorite, I have this hair roller from Etude House. I got it from a store called Best Friends Beauty at New York, I think near Chinatown, and it has this clip and obviously the hair roller. I really like this because it stays in place because of the clip, and it gives a pretty C-curl on your bangs, but at the same time you have to like brush it down to make it look really pretty and like nice, because if not it's gonna be like right up here. Moving on to my next favorite, I have the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum. I got this last month and it helps in regulating sebum production on your face and also minimizes pores, and like it's very moisturizing, very hydrating. I use it day and night. So I only have a quarter of the bottle left. So I think I'll buy another one because it wasn't that expensive to the quality that you receive. It's like $6 to $7. So I definitely recommend checking their website out because they're affordable and they're effective. Moving on to my last random favorite, I have this calculator of mine. It's the TI-84 Plus CE calculator. I really like it. This is really useful. I just took the SAT a few days ago. I think because of this calculator I was able to answer the questions more efficiently and more quickly than I used to in practice tests and whatnot. And also you could set up different programs on here that could help you calculate faster, and also you could download games here too, so I really like that. So if you're bored, you can play this. If you're out of your phone's battery, you could play some games on here. So who needs a Nintendo Switch or something, right? You could get a calculator that is useful for math, then you could play games after. It's kind of expensive, but I think it's a good investment to those people who are going to take engineering or like any math related subject or class. I really like this calculator. It's $120 though, but definitely worth it, and I really wanted to give it a shout out for helping me in the SAT. Moving on to my fashion favorites, I have two. The first one is this Uniqlo Heat Tech turtleneck. I have this in gray. This really does wonders. It keeps you warm. I used it almost every single day because it's been getting cold here. Sometimes you just need an extra layer underneath your clothes to make you feel warmer, and this definitely does the job. I trust the Uniqlo Heat Tech collection, so I have a bunch of these. My next favorite is this Levi's Sherpa or trucker jacket. I think that's what it's called, but it's like this fuzzy material inside and it keeps you warm, especially during the winter time and like this cold season. It's really cozy, and I've been using this literally the entire month. I breezed through the month with this jacket. It kept me warm even though it was snowing, and like everything about it is really pretty. The style is nice. I think I got it in like September. It was like on sale for $50 for some reason, and so I finally copped it. I've been wanting to get this jacket for so long and I finally have it. Moving on to my favorite app for the month. I only have one. It's called the Line Webtoon app. This is how it looks like, and basically I just read a bunch of like webtoons that they post here. Right now I'm reading Sunnyside Skies, I Love You, True Beauty, and our Omega Leader Nim. So those are really good. Actually, I like them. So if you like manga or like webtoons, definitely a good app to download. Moving on to my favorite YouTubers. I have watched a lot of new YouTubers this month. These are the people that I like the most, and I wanted to give a shout out to. I'm pretty sure you know them though, but yeah. So the first one is this YouTuber named Rowena Tsai. So she's an Asian American YouTuber, primarily makes self-care videos. I love her videos. They make me want to take care of myself more. Seeing her videos motivate me so much too, making myself feel that I matter in a way. So I really like her videos. So if you want to try take a step into self-care in general, I think you would really like her. My next favorite YouTuber right now is Oh No Nina. She is a Korean American YouTuber that makes vlogs and fashion videos. I love her Not Really Studying with Nina series. I watch her vlogs whenever I'm studying, so whenever I see her studying in her vlogs, it motivates me to do my stuff and finish on time. I definitely recommend her channel if you want to see lengthy videos, I guess, because her videos are kind of long, but they're really aesthetically pleasing. She's also really funny, so I really like her, and I do recommend her. So check her out. My next favorite YouTuber is a YouTuber named Clara. She's, I think, from Hong Kong. She makes really nice chill videos. I love the color grading in her vlogs. The way she edits things are so pretty, so I really like her vlogs. And finally, my last favorite YouTuber is Cup of Jasmine. She is one of the people that are really artsy, so I love her vlogs because they're so artsy, and she makes art videos too, which I really like. And she vlogs about her life at Pratt. She shows mostly like vlogs. These people are really great to watch if you're busy and you want to have some nice entertainment while you're doing your homework. Moving on to my favorite movies and shows this month. I didn't get to watch a lot because I was prepping for the SAT. I've only watched like, I think 3 to 5, but I will be only mentioning my 3 favorite shows and movies that I've watched this month. So the first one that I really liked was this show called Maniac. It's on Netflix and it features Jonah Hill and Emma Stone. Their characters are named Annie and Owen. They had to undergo a 3-day drug trial where they volunteered to participate in. Basically, the pill was designed to cure mental illnesses and traumas. Both of them and the other people that volunteered had some sort of traumatic experience, so they wanted to get rid of that through the medicine. Really interesting. It's psychological. It's funny too. If you're into those kinds of like genres, I definitely recommend it. My next favorite is this show called Chilling Adventures with Sabrina. This is really interesting. It's like, I think it's a darker version of the old show, like Sabrina the Witch or something. I can't remember, I'm sorry, but I think there was like a cartoon for it, and I remember watching it like at some point in my life when I was younger. It was actually pretty scary. You would like probably end up screaming at least once. Very different from what I was expecting. Yeah, but it's just 10 episodes. If you have time, definitely recommend watching it if you want to see like scary-ish shows. The final thing that I wanted to say for my favorites for movies and shows is a movie called Shirkers. It's a documentary by a Singaporean director, and it talks about this movie that they filmed when she was 18, where they directed and filmed with this man, this mysterious man that they met, who somehow disappeared eventually while they were waiting for the film to be edited. The man basically ghosted them. It shows how like they were somehow affected by how Shirkers was just like disappeared. And yeah, it's very interesting, very beautiful. The film was actually really nice. I really recommend it. So yeah. And finally, my favorite music for the month. I honestly just kept listening to the same songs, but these are the 3 new songs that I've been like really hooked in, and I would listen to it every day, and like it was a problem kind of. So the first one is Conan Gray's Crush Culture. I love Crush Culture. It's so good. It's a bop, and I love Conan Gray's voice. Another favorite of mine was Generation Y by Conan Gray. The message is also wonderful. I agree. Very beautiful song. Definitely listen to Conan Gray if you haven't already. He's a YouTuber, by the way. So yeah. Moving on to some K-pop. I've been listening to IU's BB, which is really catchy, and I love listening to it. Such an entertaining song. It's so bubbly. And my last and final song for the month that I really liked was Text Me by DPR Live. This is more of a hip-hop kind of song, like Dean style. It's really nice, and it's a bop. It makes me want to dance and like motivated to finish my work. So I really like this song. I would definitely give them a shot if I have like the time to listen to them. So yeah, so that wraps up my November favorites video. I hope it wasn't too long and I didn't bore you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. It would definitely mean a lot to me to know that you guys appreciate the content that I put up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Down below, probably red if you haven't subscribed yet. And yeah, so I gotta go now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
거칠은 폭풍 뒤 햇살 비치듯이 Life, fall in love 삶은 사람